Welcome to the Case G Series wheel loader launch. We are here in Paris at the Case Customer Center, and it's the European launch for the G Series wheel loader. It comes with three main benefits. It's about visibility, breakthrough comfort, and operator protection. So just to give you a better idea, I think we should go in the cab and have a look at it. Visibility comes with a one-piece curved windscreen. You really can see from side to side, from ground to sky without any obstruction. So it's really best-in-class visibility today. Also, you have this bright, colorful 8 inches display, which is many different things. It's the instrument cluster of the machine, but you also can access machine settings, diagnostic, or review camera, which is engaged whenever you activate the rear gear. Talking about comfort, also we have a fully adjustable seat-mounted console with adjustable armrest as well. Joystick with front, neutral and rear, third function on the fan. And for steering, we have an additional joystick in the left hand, which has speed proportional sensitivity. The faster you go, the less sensitive it is, just to allow you to capture good control of the machine, whatever the speed. The two equally sized joysticks are just like on a Case excavator, so symmetrical movements, symmetrical efforts. It's very natural, it's much more comfortable than using the whole day the steering wheel, but we have kept the steering wheel for an additional steering option. And also we have a Bluetooth here, a microphone connected to the Bluetooth right here, standard integrated in the machine, with the automatic answering function, which is that whenever you receive a phone call, you don't even have to take the cell phone in your pocket. It will just answer automatically, so you can stay focused on the job, 2 hands on the joystick. Several months ago, we've launched this important design contest involving 6 eminent European design schools to celebrate the launch of the G Series. And here's the winner with this very special livery that represents one of our values, which is to be hands-on. With the one-piece hood and electrical opening, you can access the engine from ground level. So, best-in-class accessibility all around. Also, we have inverted the position of the coolers and the engine compared to the conventional layout, which means we have the cooling system between the engine and the cab, far from the dust of the rear wheels, and the engine behind, which acts as an additional counterweight to improve payload in the bucket. Tier 4 final emissions are reached with a very simple technology without DPF and without EGR valve, which means less maintenance and less fuel usage. Reliability and fuel efficiency are 2 key components for a wheel loader. That's why we have heavy-duty axles, front and rear with open diff, and 100% diff lock, bulletproof axles by ZF. Also, the transmission is a ZF transmission with 5 speeds and torque converter lockup activated from 2nd up to 5th gear to optimize energy saving and fuel saving.